We are in the middle of the spring season, and today is 30th May 2021. Let us listen to the sounds. Let us witness to the sights of the spring season. The school has been closed for almost a month, or little more than a month, and the school campus is looking green and beautiful. Look at the blossoms blossoming around the school campus. You can hear the birds chirping, the crickets singing, and this spring season is saturated with lovely music. Love grasses are growing because no students trample on them. Beautiful indeed, this is the school campus. Would have been more beautiful has not there been no school lockdown because of the COVID-19. We thank God for the gift of the sights and sounds of the spring season. Hello everyone, take care, stay safe and be healthy. See you